everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. This is the last of part 5 of my series of setting up my Naked Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K Cinelifter drone. And today we're going to talk a little bit about unstabilized versus stabilized video. What I've got here is just a quick, simple comparison of a short clip. On the left is the unstabilized video. As you can tell, the quad is pretty well tuned. On the right is stabilized using the GyroFlow software. I'm using version 1.4.2 of GyroFlow, and it's actually some pretty good software. This was recorded using the Blackmagic RAW video codec in DCI 4K at 30 frames per second. And to be honest, the process to stabilizing it using GyroFlow is pretty processor intensive. And so the question I have here is it worth it or not to stabilize this video in post? I guess it really depends on the scene and the situation. You can see here flying under the trees here that it's a little more smoother than the video on the left. But it's still pretty good on the left. Should I stabilize video in the future or not? I think it just depends on the situation and how the flight goes. So what do you think? I'm curious to know. Please leave some comments below. Thanks for watching.